Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create two Bluesky accounts. So Bluesky has moved beyond the invite only stage. You can create multiple accounts by signing up separately for each using different email addresses. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to the Bluesky application. Here, you'll have to click on the create account button to create your first account. Now, choose your hosting provider, enter an email address, choose a password, choose your birth date, then click on next. After you click on next, you'll have to input your user handle, then click on next again. Now, you'll have to simply complete this challenge and you would have successfully created your first account. Now, after creating your first account, you'd be successfully logged into the Bluesky application with your first account. So, the Bluesky app allows you to switch between multiple accounts easily. To do this, click on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, click on settings and you will see this page. Here, click on the add account button. Now, click on create account button again. Here, choose your hosting provider, enter your email address, enter password, choose your birth date, then click on next. After entering these informations, follow up with the prompts, complete all these steps in the next stage and you would have successfully created your second account. Now, you will see your second account here in the signed in as section. You can simply click on any one of those accounts to switch between both of them. Ensure each account has unique email addresses and usernames to maintain proper organization. If you're using one device for both accounts, regularly log in and out to manage activity efficiently, as the application does not currently support simultaneous sessions. So that's how you create two Bluesky accounts. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.